Hi, I'm Malcolm Fontier, founder of Pakt. Back in 2017, we crowdfunded our first product, the Pakt 1 Duffel. Even before we launched that bag, the requests for a backpack version have been rolling in. We heard you loud and clear, but we knew we didn't want to rush and crank out just any bag. Also, for most of the travel I do, I prefer a backpack, so I was eager to dig in. To create a travel backpack that raised the bar, we knew it would take time and a lot of creative input.
First, we consulted our community to understand what they were looking for in an ultimate travel backpack. Then we teamed up with some of the most knowledgeable bag experts we know to refine specific areas of the bag. We spent over a year tweaking the features and travel testing it. The result? A bag we think all future travel backpacks will be measured against.
One of our collaborators is the gear guru himself, Chase Reeves. For those who don't know Chase, he's dedicated to finding the best products possible, especially when it comes to bags, and he knows every feature of nearly every pack out there.
I was stoked when Malcolm reached out to me. Getting to be a part of designing a bag is something I'd never been able to do before. It's got tons of external access so you can get to your things that you need when you're on the go. And it also has an extremely comfortable harness system, all wrapped up in a very kind of like grown up, like nice looking design.
We not only wanted this to be the ultimate travel backpack, but we wanted to feel good about making it, so you could feel good about carrying it. The factory we work with has been vetted extensively for workplace conditions, safety measures, and labor practices, and we're proud to call them both partners and friends. The backpack is also made with the environment in mind, using materials that are animal-friendly and have the least impact on the planet possible. The exterior fabric is rPET, a material consisting of recycled single-use plastic. As with all Pakt products, to help fight the huge problem of ocean plastic pollution, all backpack packaging is 100% plastic-free.
It started with great input from the Pakt community, followed by over a year of thoughtful collaborative design, refinement, and testing. Now we're excited to finally put this bag in your hands and see what you think.